Hello guys, and yeah, in this video I'll be doing some, at least I'll try and do some fish burgers, because I have these things. These are fish bullar, and I don't like them. They are not good. I don't like the sauce they come with. So I decided, you know what? I'll rinse them off their sauce, and they look like that. And you know what? I'll try and make burgers out of them. See how it goes. And I mean, I'm probably gonna do another episode just like this of fish burgers, how I normally do it. Because when I do this fish burgers, which actually turn out good, I normally just used tuna, like that tuna that comes in a can with water. That's it. And then I use some almond flour right here, salt, Fiberhusk, Psyllium I think in English, some garlic powder, some black pepper, maybe a little bit of hot sauce, but you know, the burger part, that's it. But I don't know how it's gonna go with these things. Oh yeah, and also 2 eggs. First, just mix the eggs a bit. There we go. And then after that, gonna throw in the fish. And some salt. So basically you throw in the fish. I'm gonna throw in the fish and the salt just, and then mix it. And I mean, I'm doing 2 portions here. So I did to do 2 kryddmått and some black pepper. And some garlic powder. Oh, a little bit more garlic powder than was intended, but that's fine. Because I don't know how the consistency is gonna turn out, because I mean, these fish bullar, they do contain, you know, flour, potato and stuff. So I don't know if I actually will need these things, but we'll see. Alright, well, I can tell I will need it. 2 tablespoons of almond flour. And 1.5 tablespoon of Fiberhusk. Alright, it's done. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take what's called a spoon, push everything down basically into a clump, and then I'm gonna let it rest for I'm gonna take out this blade in here, and then I'm gonna let it rest for probably 10 to 15 minutes. Hello guys, it's been 15 minutes, and this is how it looks. And now, alright, it's not as firm as I would like it to be, which is pretty weird, because this actually contains more flour and stuff than it normally does, but we'll see how it turns out. Well, I guess I normally put 2 tablespoons of Fiberhusk, and this time I only put 1.5, so I think that might be it. Because I don't know if I'll be able to make this into like an actual hamburger patty, but first gonna weigh it all. 288. Kind of wanted to get to 144. Oh, perfect. 144 exactly. Alright. I think what I'm gonna have to do is that as soon as I form them into a patty like this, I'm gonna it's preheating, and then I'm gonna put them immediately in. So I'll do that. Alright, hello, and yeah, this is how they look after putting them on in the frying pan. And I have the heat on 6 out of 9. You know, I can increase it, I'm gonna put it on 7. Then I'm gonna have them on this side for, well, I don't know, let's say 3 minutes, and then I'll flip them. Yeah, you can see that this right here is the first flip, and I mean I flipped them once right now, and I think it was it wasn't 3 minutes, I think it was closer to maybe like 5, and then, you know, I flipped them, or at least I tried to flip this, and that's why this one is a bit damaged, and this one turned out pretty okay. Yeah, they're the same. Both of them are 144 grams. Okay. I flipped them again, and I think they're a bit overdone. They're not burnt, but I do think they're gonna be dry, is what I think happened right here. I put them in 42. It's 51 now. So, I mean, I guess I've been cooking for like 9 minutes. And I think it's a bit too much, probably. Roasting some bread. And then it should be done. I have some vegan cheese dip, which is this right here. And I mix in some of this hot sauce. The last dab. I'm just gonna put this on both slices. And some aioli to potentially help a little bit with the dryness. But I think it's gonna have. There we go. And I'm just gonna eat this right here. It's just a mix of salad, paprika, red onion. Oh man, that was loud. Cheers. It is not dry, so yeah, I thought it would be dry, but it's not. It's okay. I think just the tuna is better, but it's fine.